and welcome to this short video on how to choose the right CRM tool for your teams. I am Rahul Kulkarni, a business consultant specializing in sales and marketing and an entrepreneur. I am also the founder of Bloomer and Skill Tiger. Over the last 2 decades, I have worked with many large and small sales and marketing teams closely, where I could derive first-hand insights on how successful teams can use technology effectively for their business growth. Since you are watching this video, I can fairly assume that you have made up your mind to explore a CRM for your team. If you have still not been able to decide, we have another video on why should I invest in CRM. We urge you to have a look at that video as well. As you start looking for CRMs, you will be faced with a big challenge. How do you evaluate and go about choosing the right CRM for your team? Should you go for more features or a better user interface or simply compare price points? In this video, we will look at simple 5 steps which you can use to evaluate and decide for yourself. The first step is to articulate the nature of your business and your user profiles. Are you operating in a B2C environment or a B2B or a combination of both? Are your products distributed through a sales channel such as FMCG, or do you primarily operate through a direct sales team, say industrial consumables? Or you are into services such as banking and education, where you operate through relationship managers and telecalling sales team? What geography do you operate in? Are you a local player? You primarily operate in one country, or your geography transcends a country into a larger region? All these factors could help you determine what type of CRM you would like to have. Say, for example, some CRMs have better features to manage the B2C channel sales environment, while others could be more useful for a large CAM account. The next step would be to look at your CRM needs or objectives. To put it in a nutshell, what would you like to achieve from the tool? Are you looking to improve the productivity of your sales team, where they can meet more customers in a month, or get them to focus on more profitable customers? Would you like to improve the efficacy of your order capturing and fulfillment process, or provide inputs to your sales team so that they can achieve their sales numbers by improving hit rates or reducing closure cycle times? Step 3 would be to evaluate your organization's preparedness to adopt a CRM tool. How far has your organization traveled in its digital journey? Have you already implemented other digital tools such as ERP or HRMS? How tech savvy is your sales team? Will they be able to migrate to new ways of working easily? Or will they challenge and strongly object to a new digital tool? At this point, let me bring to your notice that we have another video titled, How do you get your sales teams to adopt to CRM easily? We urge you to have a look at that video as well. Some of the CRM tools could be feature rich but complex to use. The others could have a better UI and navigation, but they could be expensive or require upfront investments. Understanding the adoption challenges for a sales team could help you understand both the quantum as well as nature of investments that you can make and even structure them. The next step is to shortlist and evaluate alternatives. Now that you have looked at all the various requirements that you need from a CRM in detail, as well as identified the constraints in which you need to operate in, it would be easier for you to evaluate amongst various alternatives. Some of the parameters to evaluate are: 1. The features. Are all the features that you require to succeed available on the CRM tool, too many or too little can be eliminated. For example, you can decide whether you would want to have only a web interface or require a mobile application as well. The second parameter would be to look at UI interface. Is it easy for your sales teams to navigate? Do you require language localization? Or is it easy to download certain reports and analyze? The next parameter to look at can be scalability. As I expand my business and scale up, would the CRM be able to deliver? This could mean newer geographies, more number of users, or a change in team, customer, or channel structures. Another point to look at would be IT infrastructure security. Where will my data be stored? Will it be secure and encrypted? What is the IT infrastructure and how secure it is? What kind of reliability and uptime does the vendor commit to? The next point would be customization. Would I be able to customize to some extent, such as adapt to my process flows or include my own nomenclature? There could be other areas, such as dropping a particular module or creating a new report for myself. Support provided is another factor to look at. Do they have a help desk? What are the timings? And what are the methods deployed to provide support, say an email or telephone, etc. The last parameter to evaluate can be ability to integrate to other tools. Can the CRM be integrated to my ERP or say to an Active Directory which I maintain for my users and customer database? The fifth and the last point would be to look at how much budget have I earmarked for a CRM tool, or simply put, how much am I willing to invest? One of the ways to evaluate would be to do a cost benefit analysis of some of the tools you have shortlisted. Another aspect would be to bucket the costs into three different categories. Say, what are the upfront costs required? These could be setup costs, customization costs, or even cost of training your sales team. Second would be recurring costs, such as license fees, support desk, or your IT infrastructure costs. The third could be the cost of any value additions, say an integration to a third-party tool. Once you have completed all the 5 steps, you will be able to zero in on the right CRM tool that meets all your business requirements at the same time fits your budgets. We sincerely hope that the video has been very useful to you and help you take the right decisions. However, if you're still not able to decide, just hit the Ask the Expert button and one of our sales consultants will be there to help and guide you. Thank you.